Dear students and viewers, in this video we will learn how to divide one line segment into equal number of divisions. Here we will take that line segment. So I am using GeoGebra application, GeoGebra Classic version. Now to make this general, I will switch off the grid so that I need not get the advantage of the equal divisions already done in the grid. So I will switch off the grid. I will take 2 points for the line segment. So I will take a point. Better if I draw. So A is 0, 0. Now B, say, is equal to 0, 30. It is a vertical line. So I will see that. Now we will join this with a segment. So you see this. Next, to divide this into equal number of divisions, say for example 7 divisions, what we will do, we will draw a line from this point of an arbitrary length forming an arbitrary angle, preferably an acute angle. Now we will divide this arbitrary line with an arbitrary angle into equal number of divisions, and then we will project it or map it on the desired line. So that is the concept. Now for dividing this into equal number of arbitrary divisions, this line AC we will divide into equal number of arbitrary divisions. So for that I will select the circle with circular arc. I will select of any arbitrary radius. So center as this, and then so this is the division. Now I need to determine the point of intersection here. So I will select the intersect command here from the point intersect. Now I will select this one and this one so that I can get the intersection. Now again I will select this arc, circular arc, taking F as the center. I will draw a circle from this point on this. Next is yes. So now I will determine the point of intersection here. So again I will select this intersect command and this. So I get this point of intersection. Now this will become the center, and again I will select the arc command from this as the center and this as the radius. I will do this. Again I will go for intersect, so this and this. Next I will again select this arc command, this as the center, this as the radius. I will draw this one. So already we have divided into 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next is to determine the point of intersection of this and this, then O is the intersection. Now I will select this one, again circular arc, so O as the center and OL as the radius. I will draw this one. Next determine the intersection of this and this, then R is the point of intersection, R is the point of intersection here. Next we will go for drawing the arc, taking R as the center, RO is the radius on this side. Next is to determine the point of intersection between this curve and the line, arbitrary line. So again we will select that, intersect between this and this. So U is the point of intersection. Again we will draw this circular arc, taking U as the center in the same way. So how many divisions we have got? Let us check. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 divisions we have already got. Now we will determine the point of intersection between this arc and this straight line, so that we get the final division, intersection this and this, then we have got Z. So now the philosophy or the concept behind this is that first thing that I will do is I will make this line faint, so that we can only see the geometries. So for that we will basically select all this. For this we will select the thickness to be, so that means basically we are trying to make these construction lines. So for this we will select this one, this one, this one. Now we will go for settings. Now style, in this we will make this line thickness minimum and the opacity of say 10, so that we just can see that. You can see very faint lines. Now here those points that we had taken, for them also we will select the thickness point size very small, so that they just don't appear very loud. Only the important points should predominantly visible. Next we will make this also very thin, and this of opacity 10. You can closely see that these lines are there, but they are not loud, they are faint. as per the convention of construction lines, they should be faint. Okay. Next is that this as well as this, we can make them very faint. Okay. Next target is to draw. First, let me explain the philosophy or concept, then I will discuss how to get the divisions. You see that the philosophy is that I have to divide this line segment, that is AB. Now AB, here another point was there, H, so H I can hide H, yes. So you see that AB I have to divide. Now I had taken AC as an arbitrary line. So I had divided AC into equal number of divisions, not up to AC, part of that AC. So from this point, then this, so equal number of divisions I have got up to Z. Now I will project or map Z on B. So we will map Z on B if these end and this end maps, and A and this end of the arbitrary line, they are already mapped. So the points in between will map if we draw parallel lines, that is the concept. So first I will join by the segment command. Yes. So that you can see, if I just show you that I is the line segment between B and Z, so there was no problem. Or you could do it by writing the commands itself, like segment B comma Z. Next will be that we will draw the parallel lines from U, what is that, yes, U and W and all this, we will draw parallel lines. Now so we will select from this, you see that here parallel lines. Now for that I have to select the line first and then the point, then again the line and the point, again the line and the point. So that way I can complete that drawing the parallel lines. So parallel line, first select the line and then the point through which the parallel line will pass, that we will draw. Next again and then this. So we have got, you see, that way we have got the equal divisions. So that means this is projection of Z on B. So U, if it is drawn this line parallel to this ZB, then this U will be mapped on this point. Now we will determine the point of intersection between this line and this AB line. So let us draw that point of intersection, that is intersect command. So this and this. In the same way we will determine for the other lines. Okay. So we can see that this line AB now is divided into equal number of divisions. Here we have considered 7 divisions. So that will be useful for the construction of the letters. So here you see that A, this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 divisions we have successfully got. this vertical line. This line can have any orientation, arbitrary orientation, and accordingly you can draw the arbitrary line having some acute angle with that, and then follow the method of construction. Now finally we will make these lines faint so that we can finally see the lines, that means line AB only. So we will make them faint. So you see that settings here, style, I will make it line thickness the minimum, opacity just having some minimum value 10 so that we can just see it, you see. So here you see that you can make these points also very faint so that you can only see that final line AB. Sorry. So we can make them very thin. Right. So you see that now this AB is divided equally in the 7 number of divisions. Thank you.